To find the values of simple a, b and c, we first need to solve this integral. In the denominator, we have square root 3 plus 6 plus square root 1 plus 6. To simplify this expression, we need to eliminate the square roots. To do this, we can multiply both numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of root 3 plus x plus root 1 plus x is root 3 plus x minus root 1 plus x. A plus b into a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. In the denominator, root 3 plus x is like simple a and root 1 plus x is like simple b. Using this equation, the denominator can be written as root 3 plus x perfect squared minus root 1 plus x perfect squared. In the numerator, we have root 3 plus x minus root 1 plus x. Next, we can expand the perfect squares in the denominator. Root 3 plus x perfect squared equal 3 plus x and root 1 plus x perfect squared equal 1 plus x. After that, we can substitute in this value for the denominator. Then, in the denominator we have 3 plus x minus within bracket 1 plus x. Now, we can remove the brackets and get the result 3 plus x minus 1 minus x. After that, we can cancel out plus x and minus x. 3 minus 1 equals 2. In the numerator value, we can write as instead of root 3 plus x to the power of half. Similarly, instead of root 1 plus x, we can write 1 plus x to the power of half. Denominator value 2 is a constant. So, we can get 1 over 2 value outside of the integral. Now, we can consider the integral sign separately. To simplify the integral from 0 to 1 of x plus 3 to the power of half, we can use the formula integral ax plus b to the power of n equals ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 over a times n plus 1. Using this equation, the integral of x plus 3 to the power of half becomes x plus 3 to the power of half plus 1 over 1 times half plus 1. Half plus 1 equals 3 over 2. Here, the coefficient of x is 1. So, we can use simple a as 1. Simplifying further, dividing by 3 over 2 is equal to multiply by 2 over 3. Therefore, the result can be written as 2 over 3 x plus 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, we need to substitute upper limit and lower limit for this result. First one, upper limit 1 minus second one, lower limit 0. Then we have 2 into 4 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 minus 2 times 3 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3. 4 to the power of 3 over 2 equals 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of half. 4 to the power of half means square root 4. Then 4 into root 4 or 4 into 2 equals 8. 3 to the power of 3 over 2 we can write as 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of half. 3 to the power of half means square root 3. Then we can get the result 3 root 3. Then this 8 and 3 root 3 values we can substitute. Then we can get the result 16 over 3 minus 2 root 3. Now we need to get integral 0 to 1 x plus 1 to the power of integral of x plus 1 to the power of half becomes x plus 1 to the power of half plus 1 over 1 times half plus 1. Here the coefficient of x is 1. So we use simple a as 1. Then we can write x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Simplify further, dividing by 3 over 2 is equivalent to multiply by 2 over 3. Therefore, the result can be written as 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 over 3. Finally, we need to substitute upper limit and lower limit for this result. First one, upper limit 1 minus lower limit 0. Then we can get 2 into 2 to the power of 3 over 3 minus 2 into 1 to the power of 3 over 2 over 3. 2 to the power of 3 over 2 value we can write as 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of half. 2 to the power of half equals root 2. Then instead of 2 to the power of 3 over 2 value, we can write 2 root 2. 1 to the power of 3 over 2 value equals 1. Then we can simplify the answer and get the result 4 root 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Let's substitute these final results into our initial integral. We can write half within bracket 16 over 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 4 root 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Removing the brackets and simplify, we can get the result 6 minus 4 root 2 over 3 minus 2 root 3. We can get 2 as a common factor and we can cancel out denominator value 2 and the numerator value 2. Then we can get the final answer as 3 minus 2 over 3 root 2 minus root 3. Observing this result, we can get A as 3, B as minus 2 over 3 and C as minus 1. Now we need to calculate 2A plus 3B minus 4C value. Let's substitute the values. Then we can get 2 times 3 as 6. 3 times minus 2 over 3 as minus 2. Minus 4 times minus 1 as 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. So we can get the final answer as 8.